So, your fries taste good, but they don't taste like the ones from the German Imbiss you still think about. You know the ones. Crispy, golden, and somehow different. Here's why. Everyone focuses on frying. Double fried, triple fried, beef tallow, peanut oil. Yes, frying in fat matters. But you already know that. And this is not why the German street fries hit different. It's the seasoning. Spice blend so simple, so using salt after trying this will feel like betrayal. And here's what you need. Paprika brings warmth and that unmistakable golden red color. Garlic powder gives you savory depth. Germans do not like spicy fries. In Germany, we like aromatic fries, so just a bit of it. This is to wake everything up, not to burn your tongue. And lastly, salt, because every potato dish needs salt. Now we're gonna mix seasoning. I've got everything in one bowl. Now the fries themselves. You prepare your fries however you like. You are expert here. Deep fryer, air fryer, or the oven. This all works. I am using oven because my air fryer lives in a caravan. So please fry your fries the way it works. Now something what many people get wrong. You don't serve the fries and then sprinkle this seasoning on the top. You mix it in when the fries are just out of the oven, nice and hot. So I have here 250 grams of fries and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of the seasoning. And then we're gonna toss gently, how you would care about them. This opens the spices and it coats every single surface of the fry. Now your fries are seasoned, every single one of them. Now you try it. For me, it's perfect. And those fries from Rewe, really not that bad. This blend the German Imbiss vendors have been using for decades. Not a secret exactly. More like something that was never written down. Because why would you write down 4 spices? You just know. So make a bigger batch, store it in a jar. It stores perfectly for 6 months when stored in a cold dark place. And do not stop at fries. Use it over potato wedges, roasted potatoes, hash browns, and even popcorn, if you like the savory one. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you did enjoy it. I wish you lovely, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!